Hello my fellow developers, welcome to a new video. Today we are going to see a website which is made purely by HTML, CSS and JavaScript for a client which runs a computer sales and services shop who also does the installation and maintenance of surveillance systems. The client requirement was a single page simple website which includes both of these services. So let us see how we designed it. This is the home page of our website. In the left side, we have the logo of our shop and we made it a circular and give it a small border and shadow. Now on the right side, we have the motto of the shop, a small description and a let's talk button. We have given a hover effect to these two elements to make it look good. And in the top, there is this nav bar. In the nav bar, the hover effect is given in such a way that when we hover over it, the background changes and have a circular button. Now let us move on to the next section. Next is the about section. In the about us, we have given a small image and the about us description. In this website, we have given an effect, delay effect to all the elements. You can see in each sections, some elements will have a delay effect to make the website look elegant. Now let us move on to the product section. In the product sections, we have added the swiper using swiper.js and we have given a small hover effect to the cards. Each cards have shadow and borders also. In the product section, we only talked about the brands we deal. These are the products that the shop is selling. Now when we move on to the next section, here we have services we offer. Here we have detailedly explained all the services the client is providing. The first one is printer repairs and services. Second one is computer or laptops repairs and services. Third one is the surveillance system installation and services. In each of these sections, we have detailedly explained what the client is doing. Okay, now the final section, which is the testimonial section. We also given a delay effect to the heading and a small hover effect to the testimonial cards. The testimonials, there is a star rating and a customer feedback and the profile picture and name of the customer. We have given a green border on the bottom of the cards also. And when coming to the footer, you can see there is a small hovering effect to the location and we have given socials icon in the footer, address, some useful links and the subscription to the newsletter. And this location has a delay effect also. Okay, now that's how our site will look in the larger screens. Now let us check out how this site will behave in the smaller screens, because this is a responsive site. Okay, now this is how our site is going to behave in the tab screens. We have reduced the size of the logo and we have centered the contents and keep the animation. This is how the delay effect will occur in the tab screens. And this is how the product section will look. You can see that we have reduced the number of cards to 2 per screen so that it will look good and it will fit to this tab screen. Same thing we did in the services section and also the testimonials. In testimonials also we reduced the number of cards to in one row and we have arranged the footer like this in the tab screen. Now let us look how this will work in mobile screens. Okay, now this is how our site is going to behave in the small screens, mobile screens. we have a delay effect, and we have reduced the size of the logo and the font. And now the navbar icon is present in the small screens. Once we press it, we have the nav links, and we can close it like this. When we scroll down, we resize the images for the mobile screens. Same thing in the product section. We have reduced the number of cards to only 1. Same thing we have done with the services section. And this is our testimonial section. We have also reduced the number of cards to 1. And this is our footer. Okay friends, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you want to know the complete code and the step-by-step procedures of how to make this website, please comment below. I will upload the full making video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.